So hello everyone, welcome back to the second class, and this is the class in which we'll be editing the first video of your life. My name is Tarun. Video editing has changed my life, and it can change yours too. You know, Tarun speaks quality, quantity. If you might have never opened Premiere Pro kind of ever, this is the class where we'll be doing it. And how would you do it? See, first things first, for us to edit a video, we need two things, right? Very simple. First thing, we need some footages which are to be edited, and then we need a video editing software, right? Obviously, common sense here. So, video editing of footages, जो भी footages which you require, we'll be providing you. You'll be getting them in the Discord server or maybe in the website, wherever you can go, you can find it, right? And the second thing, a software. And to be very precise, the software that we are going to use in this class is Adobe Premiere Pro. Your mentors might have already helped you to download the Premiere Pro. So I guess right now we'll just open it, we'll try to edit. This is the lecture when you'll actually import the footage. You'll actually know which column has what, which panel has what tools are there inside the Premiere Pro, and all these things. And then at the end of the day, you'll also learn how to, remove this green screen and do all this magic effects. Okay, you'll add text, you'll add audio, you'll add music, you'll add everything for a video to be edited. We'll not be talking about LNJ cuts, we'll not be talking about different things, but observe whatever I'm doing. Okay, clearly observe. Like, there are some things which I do, which I won't be talking in this, while I edit it, but you'll have to observe it. Okay, take a note. Achha, why is Tarun getting this footage thoda sa down? Why is Tarun getting this footage down? Open. So first things first, just to reiterate, the Premiere Pro ka jo bhi software ka link and everything, they'll be provided both on your Discord server, they'll be on the website also. You can also directly text your mentors, anything. Okay? Discord bhi dekh lena, you'll have it. Mentor ko puch lena, you'll have it. Or directly friends ko puch lena in the community server, you'll have it. So I guess that is not a problem. Now let's, open Premiere Pro and start editing. Okay? This is how Tarun edits, this is how you should edit, and this is how वीडियो एडिटिंग हैपेंस. मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा बात कर लिया, ठीक है. चलो प्रीमियर को खोलते हैं. प्रीमियर, तो हियर यू हैव इट. If you might have never opened Premiere Pro before, if you might have never downloaded Premiere Pro before, you wouldn't see all these things. You'll just see new project and you'll see like open project का interface, but apart from the rest of here you won't see anything. But ठीक है, one thing which I really want you to remember in this class is that don't care about इसका effect का नाम क्या है, A panel का नाम क्या है, इसका terminology ये क्या है, वो क्या है, that doesn't matter. ठीक है? This is the first time you're opening Premiere Pro. It's very easy for people to feel कि यार क्या है, इतना बड़ा है, बहुत सारा है, options है, ये से है. It gets kind of hectic, right? Like, so don't care about anything else. Just follow the steps which I'm telling. ठीक है? We'll go one by one. It's very simple. ठीक है? Let's get started. The first thing that you'll have to do, if you might, already edit like 3-4 videos previously, then you'll see the videos here. But apart from that, just click on new project. Okay? Once you click on the new project, you'll be getting this interface, right? So here you can just select where is the project location. So I'll just select, go with this. I'll just select desktop में डाल दिया, ठीक है? First assignment choose कर लिया, ठीक है? हो गया. I just put the project location as desktop. Okay? Now I'm directly going, don't care about anything else. It's very easy for people to just look at Premiere Pro का interface and feel कि इतने बहुत options है यार, but don't care about it. ठीक है? Directly create new project पे click कर लिया, then you selected project location किधर है, and if you want you can also keep this untitled, but project नाम select कर लेना. Just put it Tarun's, ठीक है? Just first project, ठीक है? इतना ही कर लेना. First project, that's it. First project डाल दिया, इसका नाम create कर रहा हूँ. See, हो गया. So if you might have never opened Premiere Pro before, this is how it looks like. ठीक है? So here you can see like multiple interfaces, right? So this is the program monitor and this is the source monitor. ठीक है? इतना जान लेना. And then this place which you can say, this is the program panel. I guess that's what they call it. And this place, this is called, timeline. This is where you'll see the timeline. ठीक है? Got it? So 4 things again. Source monitor इधर है, project monitor इधर है, timeline इधर है, and then project का panel इधर है. ठीक है? फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट का पैनल इधर है, ठीक है. एंड इफ यू सी हियर देयर आर मल्टीपल अदर थिंग्स लाइक मीडिया ब्राउजर का इधर, लाइब्रेरीज का है, इंफॉर्मेशन का है, FX का है. So there are so many other things. Don't care about anything else. Just go to the first thing. See, this is the first class. This is the first time that you're editing the footage. So don't care about the terminologies much. Just focus on the process. So the first thing that you'll have to do when after you see this interface is you import footages. And how do you import footages? Two methods majorly, but there are like multiple other methods. You can directly right click on this, okay, and then import footages. Okay, that is one of the ways. And the second thing that you can do is you can directly click on the footages folder that we sent, okay, and you can directly drag it and pull it off MS. Okay, this is the second way that you can do it. So once you get the import the footages and all, so here is the panel in which you can see it. Okay, I'm double clicking on it. You have multiple things. We have main, we have music, we have, these are the folders which you can see. Importing is very easy. Two ways. You can directly right click on this and import, or any of the footages that you have. Doesn't matter if it's a video, doesn't matter if it's a thumbnail, doesn't matter if it's a image, doesn't matter if it's a audio, doesn't matter MP3, MP4, whatever it is. You directly click on it and drag it inside here. That's it. You drag it and you'll see the footages inside this. And right now, once you import the footages, there are majorly 3 different views that you can get. Okay? The first one is the list view, in which you can directly click on it and you'll see इसका नाम क्या है, footage का नाम क्या है, and then what is the frame rate. FPS is like frames per second, and then there are other details. ठीक है? And then similarly music का नाम क्या है, frame rate, hertz जो भी है, whatever it is. And then similarly if it's a image, then room 1, room 2 image. SFX again, it's a MP3, WAV. We'll talk about the formats and all later, but abhi ke liye just remember that this is the list view. ठीक है? And then we have the second thing, which is icon view, in which you'll be able to select icons and all these things. And then we have the third one, which is freeform view. ठीक है? So these are the 3 views. You don't need to remember the names again. I'm just telling you. ठीक है? I usually prefer to keep it in icon view because मुझे अच्छा लगता है. I can directly click on it and like drag it and all. ठीक है? I guess you might have already been following me. Whatever I'm doing right now. So right now, ठीक है? I want you to open your PC just beside this. ठीक है? Put your phone there. Keep watching. Do whatever I'm doing. ठीक है? And then observe how am I doing it and why am I doing it. ठीक है? That's the only thing that you'll have to do. ठीक है? So see, there are so many terminologies. There are so many things which can blow your mind. ठीक है? But don't care about anything. What's more important is the way that you edit, not the names. ठीक है? We'll get to know about the names, we'll get to know about the terminologies, we'll get to know about a lot of other things, but अभी के लिए don't care. This is the first time that you are opening Premiere Pro, and I really want you to just focus on what I'm doing. First, you downloaded the footages that we sent, that's in the folder. Second, you downloaded the Premiere Pro, ठीक है? And then you created a new project. Project का नाम रख दिया, and project where it has to be there, you browsed it and you put it there. ठीक है? Then you started, creating, you clicked on creating the first project. First project create हो गया. Then you selected the footages, you dragged it and put it inside Premiere Pro. ठीक है? अभी then we are talking about interface. Source monitor ये होगा, program monitor ये होगा, नीचे timeline होगा, and then left side में project panel होगा. ठीक है? This is what we discussed till now. Right now what we have to do is, again, you go here, you click on main, here is my talking head shot, right? मैंने इस पे click किया, ठीक है? What I'm doing it, you go to the leftmost thing, ठीक है? You'll get first assignment का thing, ठीक है? I'm clicking on this first project panel में first project, you click on it, double click on it, it will open multiple folders है. Again you click on main, you have the first thing, ठीक है? I clicked it here, double click कर लिया, तो here is the footage, ठीक है? Here is the footage. As I just told, this is the place where you will be able to see. This is the source, ठीक है? And then you can either click on this and directly drag it here, or you can click on this and directly drag it here. ठीक है? मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? इसको क्लिक के मैंने इधर से ड्रैग कर सकता हूँ, ठीक है? नहीं तो इधर से क्लिक के इधर से भी ड्रैग कर सकता हूँ, ठीक है? So I'm clicking here, I'm dragging it to the timeline, ठीक है? Timeline पे you say we have the footage here. You understood what I'm trying to say? ठीक है? So before we actually edit this footage, let's actually see what we have to talk about. ठीक है? First thing, don't care about 2 things, which is 1, terminologies, second, the effect names. ठीक है. लर्निंग एंड एग्जीक्यूशन कम्स फर्स्ट. You know, how to edit is more important than इसका नाम क्या है. Even that is important, but ठीक है. So now if you look at the video timeline का basics, ठीक है, as I already told, timeline क्या होती है, ठीक है, we'll know a bit more about it, ठीक है. First one, here the ऊपर का thing, whatever you can see, right, this place, this is the divider. बेसिकली रोज पे होता है ना, लेफ्ट साइड का ये, राइट साइड का ये. सो बेसिकली दिस इज द डिवाइडर. व्हाट डज द डिवाइडर? इट डिवाइड्स, यू नो, वीडियो का लेयर्स विथ ऑडियो का लेयर्स. ठीक है. वॉट एवर द ग्रीन वाला थिंग दैट यू सी हियर, ठीक है, आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग, इसका ऊपर जो भी है, वॉट एवर इज देयर इसके ऊपर, दैट इज द वीडियो का, वीडियो, इमेजेस और विजुअल्स बेसिकली. ठीक है. एंड देन नीचे जो भी होगा उसमें ऑडियो होगा. डजंट मैटर इफ इट्स the talking head का audio or maybe music or maybe SFX, doesn't matter. This is the audio. ठीक है. So here that you can see there are multiple layers, right? This is one. ठीक है. This is 1, 2, 3. So basically there are multiple video layers one upon each other. ठीक है. Similarly there are multiple audio layers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 audio layers है. ठीक है. ये छोटे छोटे जो भी चीजें हैं इधर, ठीक है, छोटे छोटे, I don't mean anything else, छोटे छोटे होते हैं, but ठीक है. These are the sound effects. ठीक है. What is this? This is SFX, sound effects. ठीक है. And then we have this one. Maybe this is the music layer. ठीक है. Or maybe like talking head का layer. Someone is talking and उसका audio capture कर दिया and we put it there. ठीक है. And then maybe this is some background का noise or something like that. Maybe. Just an assumption. And this is music. Maybe music because that's how it feels like. And right now here, ऊपर का जो भी है, this place, this is the A-roll. A-roll. What is it? What is A-roll? Taran, what the hell is A-roll? What A-roll क्या होता है? What is A-roll? So basically there are two terms that you'll have to know. First one is A-roll. A-roll is the primary video, right? Where the primary source or maybe the primary, if I'm talking to you, ठीक है, the direct talking वाला video, that is like the primary video or like the A-roll or something like that. And B-roll is the supporting clip or the supplementary clip. You understand? Imagine I'm talking about a car, a red color car. ठीक है. So this video is the A-roll. ठीक है. So I'm just talking. My talking head का video. ठीक है. मान लो this is 0 seconds and this is 5 seconds. ठीक है. This is my video, my talking head का video which I'm talking to you. And inside this video I'm talking about a red car. ठीक है. मैं बता रहा हूँ red car. At that point of time, I use one more clip upon this. ठीक है. I use one more clip upon this in which actually a red car is going from one direction to other direction. ठीक है. Red color car है, pink नहीं है, red color car है. ठीक है. So a viewer who is watching this, a viewer who is watching this, initially he'll be looking at me. ठीक है. He'll be thinking that अच्छा Tarun is talking to him, and then when I actually say red car, a red car का actual footage comes onto the screen, which is a supplementary footage, right? So whatever the main audio, main story, the visual का story, the Tarun who's speaking, he's उसका audio, ठीक है, उसका video is called the A-roll. And what is the supplementary clip? What is the supporting clip? The car, actual car का video which is coming upon, you know, this screen, that is the B-roll. ठीक है. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा explain कर दिया, इतना ज़रूरत नहीं है. ठीक है. So now coming back, so if you look at the video timelines का basic, so there are multiple layers here and there. ऊपर का are called video layers, नीचे are the audio layers. In the video layers there's this A-roll, and then as I just spoke before 2 seconds or maybe 5 seconds, अगर ये A-roll होगा, तो ये क्या होगा? This would be some maybe text or maybe some videos that you know, some supplementary videos which are nothing but the B-rolls which are coming, so something like that. ठीक है. So this is how the video editing का timeline looks like. Now jumping back, let's come back to the main video that we are editing, right? So first things first, before we actually edit this video, I want to tell you two things. ठीक है. One thing is about aspect ratio. ठीक है. Normally whenever a video capture device captures a video, it captures in 16:9. What does it capture in? It captures in 16:9. So just if you tell you, imagine this is the 16:9 का ratio, in which 16 is the horizontal color and this is 9 is the vertical color. So this is the usual way in which video capture devices record us. ठीक है. So whenever you use this image, so even in this project, if you see, even this is a 16:9 का image. What is it? In which this is 16 and this is 9. ठीक है? But if you watch this on a phone, ठीक है? I'll tell you what actually happens. This is the phone का this. ठीक है? These days, phones started becoming wider and wider. What did they become? Wider and wider. This, ठीक है? This is right of 2.1:1. What is it? This is 2.1:1, which is a iPhone का something around. If you look at Samsung device, it's like उसका horizontal is like more than this. ठीक है? So what happens with Samsung devices? It becomes like this. So इसमें problem क्या है? ठीक है? What if? Why am I even talking about this? Why am I even talking कि यार phones के इतना ज़्यादा होती है, ये इतना होती है? Why am I talking about this? Very simple. So if you edit a video, my point is that if you start editing videos in 16:9, ठीक है, you will see black color का bars here, you'll also see black color का bars here, ठीक है, you'll see black bars here, you'll run. तो इसमें क्या हो जाएगा, ये थोड़ा सा अजीब दिखेगा. What do you say? This is kind of अजीब because इधर black bars है, इधर black bars है. So what started happening is people started editing videos in 2:1 and not 16:9. 16:9 में मत करो, edit them in 2:1 usually for a typical YouTube video or maybe some other video. Because if you go wider than this, if you go wider than 2:1, you won't be able to add outro to the YouTube video. थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाएगा because that interface is not developed for that. Okay, that's why the safe spot is like edit the videos in 2:1. So how do we do it? How do we change the aspect ratio and all? So just go here, just go to this sequence settings. Okay, click on sequence, then sequence settings. You'll be looking at this panel, right? उसमें as I previously mentioned, this is 16:9, correct? तो उसको 1080 नहीं 960 कर दो and click on OK. ठीक है? This will say delete all the previous further sequences. ठीक है? Done है. So now if you might have seen, this has become a bit wider. You see, this has become a bit wider. ठीक है, एक छोटा सा पॉइंट एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए अब इतना टाइम ले लिया मैंने. ठीक है, एनीवेज चलो नाउ लेट्स लर्न हाउ डू वी डू द कट्स एंड ऑल. ठीक है, लेट्स स्टार्ट विजिटिंग द वीडियो. ओके, so here is Tarun. So hello everyone, welcome to the video editing course and my name is Tarun and this is your first assignment. And ठीक है, so looks good for me. What do I do? ठीक है, here there are two things that you can do. You can directly click upon, ठीक है, your space bar. In this assignment you learn how to play the video. ठीक है, and you can use your mouse. ठीक है, to so this blue color thing that you can see here, this is the playhead. ठीक है, this is called, what is it? It's a playhead. Basically it shows कि where are we inside the particular video. ठीक है, if we move it towards the left, we'll be going to the beginning of the footage. If you move it towards the right, we'll be going to the end of the footage. ठीक है, and if you're on Mac, ठीक है, you click on command and you use the scroll bar. ठीक है, scroll का थोड़ा सा इसे scroll कर दो. So you'll be moving right, you'll be moving left. One more way to do it is you directly click on this नीचे वाला portion. You move it right, you move towards the right. You move it left, you come to the beginning of the footage. ठीक है, and ये वाला point है. ठीक है, इसको right side करो तो पूरा zoom out हो जाएगा. Basically you're looking at a bird's eye view and जो भी footage का duration होगा वो छोटा सा दिखेगा ताकि you can see a wider video का thing. And if you get this near, you can see small bits of the video. ठीक है, so basically this is to zoom out and compressing it is to zoom in. ठीक है, once you zoom in, you can also get to the left and you will come to the beginning of the footage. ठीक है, मैंने इधर क्लिक कर लिया तो I came to the beginning. ठीक है, very simple, very simple, right? So what am I trying to do? I'm zooming out by expanding this. ठीक है, and I'm zooming in by compressing this. Very simple. ठीक है, तो मैंने इसको इधर क्लिक करके थोड़ा सा राइट साइड लेके आ जाऊंगा, until I see the entire video. ठीक है, वीडियो इधर से स्टार्ट हो रही है, वीडियो is ending here, video is starting from here and video is ending here. ठीक है, so now if you clearly look at this, as we already talked about this, कि ऊपर का जो भी layers है V1, V2, V3, all these things, these are the visuals. And नीचे का जो भी है, these are the audio layers, A1, A2, A3. You can click on this and add tracks, right? You can add track, you can, it is like a video का thing, so you click on it, add हो जाएगा. ठीक है, so basically you right click here, you add tracks. ठीक है, ओके कर दिया तो we started getting V4, V5 and all these things, right? So इसको you can also deselect. So basically we'll talk about this panel later, right? So this is the toggle track output, this is toggle sync log, this is toggle track log, this is source patching for inserts and a lot of overwhelming stuff. Don't care about all of these things. Let's just edit the video. Okay? As I just told in the beginning of the course, we'll be starting from zero. Okay? We are starting from zero. So we literally started from downloading the footages to downloading the interface, the project Premiere Pro ka software, and then we imported the footages, and then we have seen what is source monitor, what is this, what is that, what is this. Then after we imported, we got them into the timeline. Then we talked about what are visual layers, what are audio layers, and how do we add more tracks going forward, and how do we zoom inside a video, how do we zoom out zoom out of a video, and all of these things. ठीक है, मैं इसको और थोड़ा सा zoom out कर रहा हूँ ताकि I can look at the entire project. ठीक है, so as you can see here, I'm just clicking on this. Most of the times you will be seeing कि ऊपर का मतलब video layer and the audio layer both are getting selected. ठीक है, at that point of time what I usually prefer is like you select it, you right click on it, ठीक है, and then there will be something like unlink. ठीक है, unlink click कर दो. If you click on one unlink, what happens is that you'll be able to edit audio and video at different times. Like basically मैंने इसको right side move कर सकता हूँ, इसको right side move कर सकता हूँ. I can do anything. Like basically both of that will be free. ठीक है, now coming back into the room, I'm just clicking on Command Z again, which is Control Z. So we're back to the basics. So now we'll start editing the footage. ठीक है, how do we do that? इसको मैंने तक आ गया. ठीक है, so I clicked here. So hello everyone, welcome to the. So here is the actual video starting. इधर तक पूरा बकवास था, right? तो मैंने क्या किया, इधर I'll create. मैंने दोनों को सेलेक्ट कर लिया and I'll cut it. What would I do? I'll cut it. And how do I do it? I'll do it with the razor tool. ठीक है, you can either directly click, ठीक है, C to select it, and then you can click on this thing. ठीक है, cut हो गया. ठीक है, and then you can again selection tool पे आ जाना. You selected both of them. You clicked back. ठीक है, उसको delete कर दिया. Now I'm clicking here and ripple delete. ठीक है, ripple delete is basically you're deleting the spaces और जो भी है in between them. ठीक है, this has a very easy shortcut for you to do. Shortcut के बारे में next class में बात करूँगा. I'll be talking about shortcuts later, but for now just let's do the very basic edit. ठीक है, what are you doing basically? You are selecting the razor tool. This is called razor tool. ठीक है, once you selected it, your cursor will turn into this. ठीक है, you'll go to the place where you'll have to cut it. ठीक है, and you'll एक बार selection tool लेके you'll select it. ठीक है, then you'll click on the razor tool and you will cut it. ठीक है, कट कर दिया, and then इधर से इधर गैप है, gaps inside the video. इधर से इधर गैप है, तो basically इधर आ गया, मैंने इसको भी कट कर दिया, इसको भी कट कर दिया. ठीक है, again this is a very simple process. मैंने डिलीट कर दिया, राइट क्लिक किया. ठीक है, I just right clicked over there, clicked on ripple delete, हो गया. ठीक है, so basically this is how you remove the gaps. So the first step when you have to edit any video is you basically take out the gaps. ठीक है, there is a new AI which can do this for you, but we'll be talking about in the AI wala section. First things first, I want you to get good at the basics of Premiere Pro. उसके बाद we'll get into the next thing. ठीक है, so as I just told, there's an AI which can remove all the spaces for you. We'll be talking about it later, but for now, just focus on the basics and get this done, right? ठीक है, so let me just watch the entire thing and let me finish editing this thing. ठीक है, so hello everyone, welcome. इधर से so hello everyone, welcome to the. See, I'll be using some shortcuts here to edit this fast, but you should not use the shortcuts right now. First, learn from scratch, practice it, and then go to the next step. ठीक है. So hello everyone, welcome to the video editing course, and my name is Tarun, and this is your first assignment. And in this assignment, you learn how to add text inside the video, how to remove the gaps inside. Gaps inside the video, how to color grade, and how to remove this green screen, and so much more. You'll also be learning about what's the difference between green screen and green. You'll also be learning that. then how to remove this green screen and how to remove the gaps inside the video, how to color grade and how to remove this. You'll also be so much more. You'll also be learning the difference between green screen and blue screen. See, one thing which I've done here is I started playing this, right? This मैंने इसको cut कर दिया. You'll also be and the video, मतलब the audio of the second footage. This is the second footage. If you see, this is the second footage. This is the first footage. Video 1, video 2. The audio of the second footage is playing when the video of the first footage is still playing. So basically, this looks in J shape, right? This J. So this is called J cut. Don't think much about it. Okay, I will be talking about this in depth later. But अभी के लिए just don't mind. Okay, basically just remove the gaps. I'm removing the gaps through one method. You can also remove it through the method which I talked about. So basically you'll also be learning the difference between green screen and blue screen. ठीक है, इधर gap है, तो you can just come here, click on the razor tool, cut, ठीक है, and you can go back to selection tool. You can select both of this. You can click on delete. You right click between the space. You click on triple delete. ये हो जाएगा. So that is it. This is your first week. ठीक है. So that is the way that I want you to do it. ठीक है. Just do it. I'm being a hypocrite because I can be. I mean, I'm sorry. Just kidding. So that is it. This is your first video. Edit this and send it to your mentors. And I'll see you in the next assignment. Bye. ठीक है, तो क्या कर लिया हमने, अब जो भी बीच में स्पेसेस थे, whatever the spaces were there inside the video, we try to remove it, right? Very simple thing. So hello everyone, welcome to the video editing course, and my name is Tarun, and this is your first assignment. And in this assignment you learn how to add text inside the video, how to remove the gaps inside the video, how to color grade and how to remove this green screen and so much more. You'll also be learning the difference between green screen and blue screen. So that is it. This is your first video. Edit this and send it to your mentors, and I'll see you in the next assignment. Bye. See, that's it. बहुत प्यारा. Like you finished editing your first video. This is good to go. Maybe not. ठीक है. We'll start editing it more. First, what you have done right now is you had basic cuts. ठीक है. जो भी basic cuts है, वो basic cuts को कर लिया था. As I first told, most probably whatever the video sources that you'll have, they'll be linked. मतलब जो audio है video से, I guess it's most probably will be linked with you. So what you have to do is you just select the footage, you right click on it and go to unlink. ठीक है, इधर एक unlink का option होगा. Where is this? Unlink. This unlink. Click on unlink. They'll be unlinked, and then you can easily move one footage like visuals and audio layers in a different way. ठीक है. So what you're doing, you have the footage right now. You just removed all the gaps. Okay? The next thing that we'll be doing is we'll be fixing the audio. What we'll be doing? We'll be fixing the audio. See, don't you see that this is thoda sa? So hello everyone, welcome to the video. Thoda sa chipak riya, right? Like, we'll be talking about how you can get podcast like audio later, but for now just ignore it. I was just playing with you. Okay? So now what you can do is you add the music layer. So what you'll have to do is you come back to the project panel. Okay? You click here, this arrow wala thing, and you'll go back to this folders wala thing if you are in this icon view. Okay? If you're in list view, this is how it looks like, and this is like very messed up for you to see. So what you'll have to do is you have to click on the icon view. बहुत अच्छा दिखता है. ठीक है? Now you'll have to click on the music wala part. See, there are 4 musics, right, which we sent you. Click on the first one. ठीक है? You'll be able to see it in the source monitor. Click on this. ठीक है, good music. We'll go with the next one. ठीक है, this is also good music. This is also fine. This is okay. ठीक है. You can use any of the music which we gave you. Again, as I started telling you, ठीक है, you can directly click here and you can get inside the. That's it. You have the audio also right now. So what you have to do, click here and you get it to the beginning. ठीक है, beginning पे आ गया. Now you see. So hello everyone, welcome to the video editing course, and my name is Tarun, and this is your first assignment. And in this assignment, you learn how to add text inside the video, how to remove the gaps inside the video, how to color grade, and how to remove the green screen, and so much more. You have to be learning the difference between green screen and so that is it. This is your first video. I did this, and send it to your mentors. I'll see you next time. ठीक है, this is good. और मुझे थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लगता है तो मैं इसको हटा दूंगा. I'll get it back. So hello everyone, welcome to the video editing course, and my name is Tarun, and this is your first assignment. And in this assignment, you learn how to add text inside the video, how to remove the gaps inside the video, how to color grade, and how to remove this green screen, and so much more. You also be learning the difference between green screen and blue screen. So that is it. This is your first video. Edit this and send it to your mentors, and I'll see you in the next video. This is good. Probably we should go with this. So what you'll have to do, इधर तक video is ending, right? So if you see here, you just have to zoom in. I mean, come here. थोड़ा सा zoom in कर लो इस पे zoom in कर लो. The corner, the playhead, just get it to the end thing. So you see, the video is ending here, but the music is still playing, right? इसके बाद भी music जा रही है. तो what you'll have to do, you basically come to the cut वाला tool, ठीक है? Cut the music layer. Go to selection tool again, select this part, click on delete. ठीक है, delete हो गया. So basically you have your video and एक background music भी है. So let's first get back to the basics. ठीक है, you have this right now, correct? So this is one of the workspaces. You can have multiple workspaces, right? For example, just go to Windows, you go to workspaces, you have multiple workspaces for different type of jobs that you're doing. Imagine you're working just on audio. So you have a workspace in which you can actually play with audio related things a lot. ठीक है? Imagine you go to assembly, which we usually don't use a lot, but if you go to assembly, then you can basically use a workspace which is built for assembling the footages and all these things. And imagine you go to capturing in graphics. So imagine you're working with graphics and all these things, then you'll be thrown to an interface or workspace where you can add captions and graphics in the best possible way. So in this way, there are so many workspaces, right? And you can also have your custom workspace based upon your preferences. For example, I have two of my own things. For example, Tarun Edits 1, Tarun Edits 2. And how do you do it? You go to the basic editing wala tool, okay? You go to window, you click on workspaces. So either you'll be able to see all the workspaces. But if you look at the bottom wala part, 1 tick mark, 2 tick mark, 3 tick mark, 4 tick mark. So these are the tick marks. These tick marks mention that you're able to see this, you're able to view this. These are already present in the workspace. If you want something, you can add them. For example, if I want to add Lumetri color, I'll just click on it and it'll get added here. Okay? And now what I can do is you can just go to Windows, go to workspaces again, and you can save this thing along with this Lumetri color that you added as a new workspace. Okay? So that's how you work with workspaces. Like, different people use different workspaces. For some people something is better, for some other people like something else is better. It doesn't matter. Okay? I guess I'm speaking a lot. You'll know about this a lot, like as we keep editing more and more videos. But yeah, let's come back to the editing wala layout. 1 minute. If you mess anything up, for example, imagine मैंने इसको इधर हटा दिया, मैंने मीडिया ब्राउजर को इधर रख दिया, मैंने मेटा को इधर रख दिया. So basically you can just click on any panel and move them here and there. मैंने import वाला edit. मैंने source monitor को again, okay, इसको नीचे नहीं कर सकते. So basically you see I've just created a huge mess sort of everything, like Lumetri color को इधर रख दिया. So you see my entire workspace is like spoiled right now, right? ठीक है? And all this mess up can easily be like Dettol, like Lifebuoy. You can just snapshot में you can fix it. All you have to do is go to Windows, you go to workspace, ठीक है? You go to reset to save layout. हो गया, it's back. So what I'm trying to say is like don't care about all of these things. Imagine something is like messed up inside the Premiere Pro workspace. You can just fix it with two clicks. 3 clicks. Go here, go here. 2 clicks. You don't need to click on this. You can just do this and it will come. Now let's come back to the video edit. Okay, you're editing this video. So hello everyone, welcome to the video editing course, and my name is Tarun, and this is your first assignment. And in this assignment, you learn how to add text inside the video, how to remove the gaps inside the video, how to color grade, and how to remove the green screen, and so much more. You'll also be learning the difference between green screen and blue screen. So that is it. This is your first video. Edit this and send it to your mentors, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, very simple. So what I'm trying to do, okay, I did the basic cuts, I did the music part. Right now what I'll see, one problem which I can face here is that music बहुत ज़्यादा चुभ रही है. Like music is a lot louder, right? What I can do is go here, ठीक है, click on this. You go to effect controls, ठीक है, effect controls. See, this effect controls is one of the major main important things. You'll always need it. So just remember this. You come to effect controls, you click on levels and उस पे -10 कर देना, ठीक है. So basically you selected the music layer, you came to the effect controls, ठीक है. एक मिनट, मैं इसको क्लिक किया, effect controls, and you change the level to -10, ठीक है. So now play it again. So hello everyone, welcome to the video editing course, and my name is Tarun, and this is your first assignment. And in this assignment, you learn how to add text inside the video, how to remove the gaps inside the video, how to color grade, and how to remove this green screen, and so much more. You'll also be learning the difference between green screen and blue screen. So that is it. This is your first video. Edit this and send it to your mentors, and I'll see you in the next assignment. Bye. So now you can see you basically imported the footage, you removed the gaps, you added music का थोड़ा सा audio भी decrease कर दिया, and now is the time, ladies and gentlemen, when we need to do some magic, right? How to do the magic? So basically, so hello everyone, welcome to the it's fine video editing course, and my name is Tarun, and this is your first assignment. And in this assignment, you learn how to add text inside. ठीक है? So what we'll do here is we'll try to add some zoom ins and zoom outs inside the video. ठीक है? So basically, I got the playhead to the beginning. So hello everyone, welcome to the video editing course, and my name is. So when I said my name is Tarun, I want थोड़ा सा zoomed in वाला image, ठीक है? And my name is Tarun. My name is. Here is the part when I'm saying my name is Tarun, ठीक है? I took the razor tool, cut it. My name is Tarun, and so here I cut it. I came back to the, what do we say, the selection tool. I selected this footage. I want this to be zoomed in, ठीक है? So what I do is I click on this and I go to scale. See here, this is the source music. You go to effect controls. You click here, it will be deselected. You again click on this and you come here, you'll see the effect controls, ठीक है? Now scale, this is at 100. So what I'll do, I'll keep this to 180, ठीक है? Zoomed in, it got zoomed in. And now I'll adjust this a bit so that it will look good. My name is Tarun, ठीक है? And my name is Tarun, and this is your first assignment. And in this assignment, you learn how to add text. Looks good. Inside the video, how to remove the gaps inside. So here we have an abrupt cut, right? The gaps inside. So I want again the video. How? Here is the part when I want this to be थोड़ा सा zoomed in again, ठीक है? What I'll do? I'll click here. I'll put this. I can come to scale. I'll do this 180. ठीक है? Or if I come here, it is also zoomed. I'll adjust the position of this to this. ठीक है? Gaps inside the video. How to color grade and how. ठीक है? इसका भी थोड़ा सा करेंगे. To remove this green screen and so much more. You'll also be learning the difference between green. इधर भी there is an abrupt cut. Much more. You'll also be learning the difference between. I'll just let it be. Green screen and blue screen. So that is it. This is your first video. Edit this and send it to your mentors, and I'll see you in the next assignment. Bye. Either also, when I say bye, I want this to be zoomed in. So what I'll do, I'll cut it there. Click here. I'll get it to 180. ठीक है? And I'll थोड़ा सा adjust this a bit. Bye. नहीं, this is looking थोड़ा सा अजीब, तो I'll get it in between. Bye. That's how I said it, right? So hello everyone, welcome to the video editing course, and my name is Tarun, and this is your first assignment. And in this assignment, you learn how to add text inside the video, how to remove the gaps inside the video, how to color grade, and how to remove this green screen, and so much more. You'll also be learning the difference between green screen and blue screen. So that is it. This is your first video. Edit this and send it to your mentors, and I'll see you in the next assignment. Bye. Looks good. This is good. This is actually good, right? Now what I'll do is I'll add some text. Okay, what I'll do, I'll add some text. And how do we do it? You can see so many tools over here, right? This T is the text or like type tool. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll imagine I'll select 3 or 4 places. See. So hello everyone, welcome to the video editing course, and my name is Tarun. Tarun. And this is your first assignment. First assignment. I want first assignment to be coming onto the screen. This is your first assignment, and this is your first. Okay, I'll navigate to the. So I'll navigate to that position. Okay, I'll come here. I'll write. I'll just select the text, type tool. I'll come here. Okay, then I'll start typing. Okay, first assignment. ठीक है, looks good, but मुझे थोड़ा सा अजीब दिख रही है. So what I'll do is I'll select this, just command A or control A, whatever it is, and then you again come to the effect controls. ठीक है, and then you'll see this thing. ठीक है, this eye वाला thing. If you click on this, the eye will vanish हो जाएगा. You can get it back. And if you drop down, you'll see more text का options. ठीक है, here the source text. I'm again selecting this. ठीक है, मैंने इसको फिर से select कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है, and I'm clicking on, I'm just trying to play with fonts. So one font which I actually like is Montserrat, right? तो मैंने Montserrat select कर लूँगा. Montserrat पे आ गया. ठीक है, okay, this looks थोड़ा सा better than the previous thing. One more thing which I want to do is first assignment. I'll get it into capitals, so I just selected it entirely. ठीक है, और मुझे और थोड़ा सा बोल्ड चाहिए, तो I'll get to extra bold. ठीक है, this looks good. Now there is one option which I usually use a lot, this thing which is tracking, which is basically the difference, basically the gap between letters, right? So मुझे इस पे थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लग रही है, तो what I'll do, you can either left drag it or right drag it. If you drag it towards right, it will become bigger. If you drag it towards left, it will become like the words will come closer. So what I'll usually put it at like -20. ठीक है, -20 पे रख दिया. थोड़ा सा looks good. One more thing that I can do is I can either fill this entirely. You can unfill it. You can just give a stroke. Stroke can be in the black. ठीक है, basically what I'm trying to do is like I'm just trying to play around with the text so that it looks good. ठीक है, or you can also add some background to it. ठीक है, मुझे background usually अच्छा नहीं लगती है. And then you can also add some shadow to it. मुझे shadow थोड़ा सा अच्छा लगती है, तो I had added the shadow. ठीक है, so now we have the first assignment on the screen, right? Now what I can do is again, see this thing is the first assignment thing. This pink color का layer is the first assignment thing, like first assignment text. ठीक है, text layer basically. You click on it. ठीक है, this will be selected, or you can click on here. You can click here. You can do command A, control A, whatever it is, it will get selected. You get to effect controls, and then you drop down here, so you'll be getting more options. ठीक है, so one thing that I want to do is, ये मुझे तो थोड़ा सा कम मतलब छोटा लग रहा है, तो what I'll do, I'll increase the size. तो this thing size increase हो गया, but then it थोड़ा सा went out of the screen, right? So you come to the position, you adjust it. ठीक है, you get here ताकि you can at least look at my screen, my face. So I'm just trying to play with it. You can see basically if you increase this size, you will see कि pixels थोड़ा सा फट रही है, right? Because what you're doing is you're using this like an image and then you're trying to zoom in. So basically it's an optical zoom. But if you increase this size, pixels ज़्यादा नहीं फटेगा, क्योंकि this is basically there is a difference between. So we'll be learning about this again in the coming classes. But अभी के लिए just remember that if you play with the size over here, थोड़ा सा better quality मिलेगा for the text. 200 बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया, तो again 180 से कम हो रही है. 190 is like a sweet spot for us to entirely fill the screen. ठीक है, मैंने screen पे आ गया. Okay, looks good. ठीक है, as I previously mentioned, there are whatever the border is there, border का ऊपर जो भी है, those are visuals. Border का जो भी नीचे है, these are the audio layers. ठीक है, so first we have the video layer in which I was talking. ठीक है, उसके ऊपर we have the text layer. That's why you can see the text. Imagine I get the video layer upon the text layer, then you won't be able to see, because then you won't be able to see the text, because अभी video layer ऊपर है, ठीक है, तरुण का layer ऊपर है, तो मेरा back side if I put one text you won't be able to see it, right? तो again getting it back, मैं नीचे कर रहा हूँ इसको, ठीक है, first assignment आ गया, ठीक है, तो let's just play it. And this is your first assignment. First assignment आ गया. And in this, ठीक है, and in this assignment I just don't want the first assignment text to be there. So what I'll try to do is I'll come to this place, I'll select this, ठीक है, I'll come back to the razor tool, I'll click on this, come back to the selection tool, click here, delete it. Your first assignment. And in this assignment, see, looks good, right? So hello everyone, welcome to the video editing course, and my name is Tarun, and this is your first assignment. And in this assignment you learn how to add text inside. Text, ठीक है, I want to add that text वाला thing. Text. So what I'm trying to do is go to the text, you'll click here, TEXTS, text आ गया, ठीक है, और इसको कंट्रोल A कर लूँगा, I'll go here, इसका साइज और बड़ा कर दूँगा, एंड इसको लेफ्ट कर दूँगा, इसको सो इधर करूँगा. तो basically there's a shortcut for this also, where you can align any of the text into between, in the center, in the vertical, you can do all of that stuff, but अभी के लिए just do this. We'll just start with the basic, like बहुत ज़्यादा basic वाला stuff. Text inside the video, how to, ठीक है, to remove the gaps inside the video. Gaps हटा दिया हमने. How to color grade. How to remove this green screen and so much more. You'll also be learning the difference between green screen and blue screen. So that is it. This is your first video. Edit this and send it to your mentors, and I'll see you in the next assignment. Bye. Next assignment. So ठीक है. Basically we just did two texts. Two texts is fine. ठीक है. And this is your first assignment. And now I want कि यार मेरे face पे नहीं चाहिए. For example, I don't want the text directly to be on my face. I want it on a background, right? So what I'll try to do is I'll just move this text layer a bit ऊपर, ठीक है, and I'll go back to the project panel, ठीक है, project panel पे click कर लिया. You can see text backgrounds, ठीक है, ये basically this will be the backgrounds of backgrounds, basically good textured backgrounds, right? So which click here, looks good only, click here, looks good only. This is typical paper texture, right? I think I'll be going to the center वाला thing, ठीक है, मैंने इस पर click किया, just see how am I doing it, I'm dragging it, ठीक है, I'm putting it सबसे ऊपर, ठीक है. Here one of the major mistakes that people do is like when they drag in, if some footage is over here, this will destroy it, this will make it vanish. So you'll have to be थोड़ा बहुत careful while dragging it, ठीक है. So I don't want this to be throughout the footage. So what I'll do, I just want it from here to here, right? So I'll just zoom in, click on razor tool, इस पे click कर दिया, I just trimmed it, मैंने इसको delete कर दिया, ठीक है. So as I previously talked, whatever the text layer is there, if it is on the top, that will be visible. So here the text background is on the top, so that's visible. If I get this below the text layer, then you'll be able to see the assignment layer. Got it? So मुझे ये थोड़ा सा अजीब दिख रही है, तो I just selected the text layer again. I'm going to effect controls, ठीक है. I guess I'll have to play a bit with shadows. तो shadow पे आ गया, I click here, ठीक है. Then I can turn it entirely into black. Click OK. तो let's see, बहुत ज़्यादा difference नहीं है, ठीक है. First assignment, and in this assignment, ठीक है. So now what you can see, and this is your first assignment, and this is your first assignment. This is your first assignment. ठीक है. So basically what I've done is instead of putting this first assignment text directly upon my face, I used a background and I put it on the background. ठीक है. Very simple thing. ठीक है. So hello everyone, welcome to the video editing course, and my name is Tarun, and this is your first assignment. First assignment. Okay. This is not the best edit, but this is your first edit, so it's fine. And in this assignment, you learn how to add text inside the video, how to remove the gaps inside the video, how to color grade, and how to remove this green screen. ठीक है. I'm talking a lot about green screen, right? So let's see how can we actually remove green screen. ठीक है. तो before I remove green screen, ठीक है, what I want, हाँ, color grade and how to remove this green screen. हाँ, green screen है. तो green screen, I'm talking about green screen over here, right? So what I'll do, I'll come back, click on razor tool. We'll click here. ठीक है. From here I want to remove the entire green screen. ठीक है. So what I'll try to do is I'll select all of this. ठीक है. I'll just move this, so not necessary, but ठीक है. I just moved it over because when I remove the green screen, I want something into the background. Correct? That's why I removed it. ठीक है. So now what I have to do is click on this footage. You go to this panel, or you click on these two arrows, and you'll be able to see FX. ठीक है. Click on FX. You'll be able to see all the effects that you have. ठीक है. And here you can directly search for Ultra key. What do you have to see? Ultra. ULTRA, not Ultron, Ultra. ठीक है. Click here and directly drag it upon to this footage. ठीक है. मैंने क्या किया था, उस पे drag कर लिया था. What did I do? I just dragged it onto the footage. So drag कर लिया. तो one difference that you can majorly see is इस पे I did not add any effect. That's why the FX जो भी है, this is in gray or like black color. But इस footage पे I started adding FX, which is Ultra K. So this here you can see it's purple in color. ठीक है. तो right now what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to remove this green color. ठीक है. तो what I did, I went to FX, I took Ultra Key, I dragged it upon to the top of this footage. ठीक है. Now what I'll do is I'll again go to, ठीक है, I'm just clicking on this, I'm just selecting it, I'm going to Effect Controls, and I'll थोड़ा सा scroll down until I can see this Ultra Key option. And here there's a dropper. ठीक है. मैं dropper को select कर लूँगा. ठीक है. Dropper, and I'll come back to the this thing. What have you seen? You have seen that the green screen has vanished. We'll be talking more about how to remove the green screen, how to actually see use a plain background and multiple effects later, but this is the very basics. ठीक है. तो what just happened here, एक green screen था. ठीक है. मैंने उसको हटा दिया था. How did I do it? I did it by using Ultra Key. ठीक है. But you can see यार इधर थोड़ा सा disturbance है. इधर is removed, but इधर थोड़ा सा disturbance है. तो what you have to do, you just do to the matte generation, थोड़ा सा play. Oh, let's keep it 45 just so basically play around with this thing. Ding 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 ding. मैं shadows बहुत ज़्यादा आ गया 50. ये भी चला गया मैटली ना. So basically I'm just playing around with all of those things ताकि now I can थोड़ा सा ठीक है. So basically what happened is I messed up. I did not mess up. Like basically I started playing with all the effects ताकि I can see a cleaner background, right? So as the green color is removed right now, what I can do is again go back to the first assignment ka thing. You take a room background. You need some kind of background, right? So I like this background more. So this is one of the backgrounds, and this is the second background which we have. I like this background more, so I'll just take it, okay, and I'll get it to the video editing timeline. Okay. Now what I'll do, again the basics. Whatever is there on the top will be visible on the top. Okay. So I just click on this. You get it bottom pe. Look at this. Look at this. What have you done? You have removed the green background and replaced it with some, I don't know, Booth Bangla structure kind of thing, right? So impressive. Like, how did you do it? Okay, good shit. Now I'm just trying to rotate it a bit. Okay, looks good. Have you seen it? जो previously ऐसे green color का मतलब room में बैठने वाला तरुण था, अभी एक बंगला पे बैठ रहा है. मतलब he's there in this corner room, I don't know, whatever it is. So looks good. ठीक है. Now what you can do is you go here, you click on this, you can directly copy paste this effect to multiple footages. ठीक है. Again I'll just zoom out a bit. ठीक है. This is the footage in which I did the green screen effect. I clicked on it. ठीक है. So after you click it, where is this? You go to FX control. ठीक है. You come to this Ultra key. You right click on this. ठीक है. You can either save this like a preset. I don't want to do it right now. Or you can directly copy it. मैंने copy कर लिया था. Now what I'll do is I'll select all these footages which are there after this. ठीक है. Because उसके बाद मतलब after this playhead, this after I mentioned about green screen, ठीक है, I want to remove the green screen. So all these footages have the green screen. I want to remove it. ठीक है. What I'll do, I selected, ठीक है, I clicked on this, I went to effect controls, I scrolled it down, I can see ultra key, I clicked it there, right click, मैंने इसको copy कर लिया था, ठीक है, and then I selected all the footages in which I want to apply this ultra key, and then I right clicked on it. Not necessary, you can directly go with command V or control V. मैंने V दबाया, तो now you can see that even this FX turned purple. Previously it was gray, now it is purple, which means effect आ गया इस पे, ठीक है. So as you can see, the background is replaced. Previously it was green, now it is this, ठीक है. Looks good. Now you see. Now let's rewatch the edit. So hello everyone, welcome to the video editing course, and my name is Karan, and this is your first assignment. And in this assignment, you learn how to add text inside the video, how to remove the gaps inside the video, how to color grade, and how to remove this green screen, and so much more. You'll also be learning the difference between green screen and blue screen. So that is it. This is your first video. Edit this and send it to your mentors. See, the edit is looking good, but suddenly एक point आ गया था in which there was a point in which the room just vanished. Background room was there, it just vanished. Why did it vanish? Very simple. It vanished because the JPEG or like the image ended here. ठीक है? How do we get it here? You can either copy paste it, ठीक है, in which you press on Alt or Control and drag it side पे, तो you'll get extra layer of this and you can put it here. You can either duplicate it, ठीक है, or one thing you can do is you come to the corner and you drag it till here. ठीक है, ड्रैग कर लिया, तो now you see green screen and so much more. You'll also be learning the difference between green screen and blue screen. So that is it. This is your first video. Edit this and send it to your mentors, and I'll see you in the next assignment. Bye. ठीक है. So now you got it right. Basically, editing videos is very easy. In this video, you learned about, in this entire class, you learned about how do you input footages, how do, what is A-roll, what is B-roll. You also learned about, how do you cut the footages, how do you remove the gaps, how to unlink video layers and the audio layers, and then you added music, you also decreased the music or audio levels, and then you added green screen effect, which is ultra key effect, you removed the background, you did a lot of stuff. You also did text, ka backgrounds, you also added shadows to the text, you did so many things in this one class. Have you even realized it? Did you? I don't know if you did, but ठीक है, let's continue. ठीक है. And one more thing which I want to talk about in this video is like there will be so many footages, there will be so many times of in which you'll be editing, and there will be so many effects. For example, imagine there will be 120, 130 effects on the same video editing that you're doing. And sometimes you'll get lost. Sometimes एक घंटे का वीडियो होती है, you'll get lost कि ये भाई ये डायलॉग किधर आ रही है, ये डायलॉग किधर आ रही है. And sometimes you want to remember it. ठीक है. And that's when you use markers. You use markers and labels. ठीक है. So how do you, like, what is markers? Basically, imagine I am here. ठीक है. I want this to be remembered. ठीक है. What I'll do is I'll just click on M and that will create a marker. If you see, you can create a marker. ठीक है. Or you can directly go here and you can create one more marker. ठीक है. You got it. So markers or labels or जो भी है, these are for remembering, or basically, for example, if you want to come back to the place where some certain effects to be made, certain cuts to be made, you can do that. ठीक है. So that's when you add markers. We'll be talking more about how to how you can use markers to efficiently edit later in the classes. But अभी के लिए just remember that markers are a cheese. क्या? Markers are the things which are there in video editing. ठीक है. तो how's it going? If you get stuck at any point of time, I want you to do one thing. Either text your mentor or text in the group will help you. ठीक है. By the end of this class, I want you to be able to do whatever I did. That's the end goal. ठीक है. Once you do it, we'll move to the next lecture, and the next lectures will become easier for you. ठीक है. This is the first time. I guess this class might be feeling थोड़ा सा overwhelming for you, as it have to, but you get the point. There's no other way except for doing it. Okay. Now let's do one more thing. So hello everyone, welcome to the video editing course, and my name is Karan. I guess this is good to go, right? This is your first assignment, and in this assignment you learn how to add text inside the video, how to remove the gaps inside the video, how to color grade, and how to remove this green screen, and so much more. You'll also be learning the difference between green screen and blue screen. So that is it. This is your first video. ठीक है. So as I was just talking about, you'll also be learning about what is the difference between green screen and blue screen and all these things. So I just want to start with one thing. Ki, what is this green screen? Like, why do we use green screen, right? So first things first, if you see our skin tones, right? If you see our skin tones doesn't have the color green, okay? Because our skin tones lie here. This is the place where our skin tones lie. Thoda sa orangish, yellowish kind of stuff, okay? And whereas green is here, okay? And whereas blue is here, okay? And that's why usually if you have to remove a color from a scene or something, you just either keep it blue or you keep it green, because if you remove these colors, our skin tones won't be affected at all. So basically that's the reason why we use either green screen or blue screens. But दोनों में difference क्या है? Why don't you see most of the people using blue screens? Why do you usually see most of the people are using green screens and not blue screens, right? See, the major difference is like the luminosity of green color is much higher. ठीक है, जो भी ग्रीन का luminosity होती है, इसका luminosity is much higher. Basically, it is brighter. Green is one of the brightest color. ठीक है, when compared to blue. So what happens even in the minimum lighting conditions? ठीक है, the green screen doesn't need a lot of lighting. ठीक है, even if there is like wrinkles and all over in the green का background, what happens is that it's very easy, and green is more forgiving in nature. Like basically, even if the background has wrinkles and all, it's easier to get away when you use green screen. But if you have blue screen and if there are wrinkles on the blue screen, it gets very difficult to work with that footage. Okay? That is one of the other reasons. So basically we'll see the difference between green screen and blue screen. Okay? As I just told, iska luminosity is higher. Okay? Iska luminosity is lower. And also one more thing is that second thing is green is more forgiving. Okay? Forgiving in terms of if the background has wrinkles, if the background has this green, this is less forgiving. Okay? That's one of the negative. But one thing which is really good with blue, okay, as I already told, is green is the best color if you are working in daylight conditions. Daylight conditions. Okay? Why do I tell it? Because even when we are editing the footage, okay, the spill, if you can like clearly look at this footage, okay, if you can see here the spill, basically green reflects itself onto the face or like the background also. That's one of the like one more negative point when we are working with green screen. Okay? And if you just look at the blue screens, blue is more forgiving. Like blue does not reflect its color back onto the face as much as higher. But one of the major drawbacks of blue is like blue needs a very, very, very good lighting conditions. But basically, if you're at a very high production cost or like a very high production set, and that is the point of time when it will be very easy for you to work with blue screens. But if you're working in like a one-man army like kind of stuff, then green screen is the best because you don't need huge lightings. You can just get away with like small lighting conditions. Okay? But blue is the best color when it comes to working with dark light wala setup. Why am I telling you this? It's because the spill on the face from the background when you use blue is very less. Okay? That's why you don't need to color correct a lot. Okay? That is one of the major reasons why we can also prefer blue screens. Okay? So just in a conclusion, I just want to tell you, okay, if you are working with daylight conditions or brighter conditions, green is the best color to go with. Okay? Because it doesn't require a lot of lighting. It is more it is very easy to work with, even if you have wrinkles on it, even if you have jovia, it is very easy to work with. Blue is much better in terms of quality, but then it requires higher production because it requires great lighting conditions. But if you're working with something like night kind of setups, then green is the absolutely worst color to work with. That's why some of the recent Telugu movies which came, right? Not even Telugu, like even Hindi movies which came. What is this movie in which it was trolled because of the VFX. I don't remember the movie, but basically the night lighting conditions, they used green screen in the background and they tried to remove it, and uska effects were like messed up. Okay? So that's basically the difference, okay, between green screen and blue screen. So I guess हो गया, आपका फर्स्ट एडिट हो गया, ग्रीन स्क्रीन एंड ब्लू स्क्रीन का डिफरेंस हो गया. Why do we use green screen? How do you? So as you can see here, this green screen का, I just removed the green screen, right? You can also remove this part of the edit, this part. We'll be talking about in the next lecture, but अभी के लिए let's see how do you export this footage. ठीक है? First edit, you added text का backgrounds, you removed the gaps, you removed green screen, you added a pretty background, you did all of the stuff. We did not do the color grading. We'll be doing it in the next lecture. But अभी के लिए let's see how do you export. ठीक है, इधर तो edit करवा लिया. How do you export the footage now? Very simple. You click on Command M. ठीक है, and then you'll be shifted to this export वाला section. ठीक है, export में you can put file name. File will be my first project yai. ठीक है, that is what I want, and location मैंने desktop select कर लिया. ठीक है, preset में what I'll do is I'll go with high quality 1080. So here there is a problem. What is it? The problem is that we did not edit in 1080p. What is 1080p? 1080p is 1920 is to 1080, right? But we did not edit it because we changed the sequence. So what I want you to do it is you just match the source. ठीक है, where is this? Match source. मैंने high bitrate लगा दिया. So basically it will start exporting in 2:1, not 1920:80. ठीक है. So let's like try to see like what these formats are, right? Here the format is mentioned like H.264. What are these formats, man? So if you see, these are the video compression formats, right? There are different types of it. Okay, and there are different pros and different cons of it. For example, H.264, this is widely supported. That's why we try to export it into H.264. Okay, but this is not as efficient as a new codecs. There's one other codecs. Whereas if you see H.265, HEVC, this is high efficient video compression format or something like that. This is more efficient, but this has a lot of, for example, if you're trying to export it in this, your PC will get like burnt up or something like that. Okay? So it requires higher processing on hardware, but okay. And then we have VP9, which also has like a good quality video, but requires computational resources. So there are different types of process. You can just go through it. You have the slides with you. Okay? Now coming back to the screen, we have video का thing here. ठीक है, मैंने इस पे match source है. You click on more. ठीक है, you click on maximum, render at maximum depth. ठीक है, what this will do is it will give you like better quality output. ठीक है, use maximum render quality. This will also give you maximum quality. That's how I do it. ठीक है, it usually like basically this does not affect the text layer, this does not affect any of the layers, but this affects the colors a lot. So when you have higher colors wala thing, when you're working on really good quality wala thing, so you'll be able to see bands, right? They'll be able to see, ठीक है, एक band के so there'll be colors का bands. For example, if there's a gradient on the screen, the gradient will not be as smooth if you don't click on this render at maximum depth and use maximum render quality. ठीक है, and you scroll a bit नीचे, nothing to be changed. Target bitrate I usually keep it around 20 is like fine for YouTube. ठीक है, and keyframe distance I don't care much. VR nahi, this is not a VR video. Then come to audio, AAC format. Again, formats, there are so many other formats. I usually keep it. ठीक है, again coming back, you come to bitrate, I keep it to 448. ठीक है, and rest of the things I don't change much. I just click on export. ठीक है, तो export हो गया. ठीक है, that's it. You have your first project. So this is a long lecture and I'm very sure that you'll be having a lot of doubts in this. ठीक है, you'll be having doubts in downloading the software, you'll be having doubts in literally importing the footages, you'll be having doubts in how to use Premiere Pro, you'll be having doubts in working with workspaces, your workspace will be messed up, you'll be having doubts in how to add text, how do we change text ka fonts, you'll be having doubts in changing text ka colors, you'll be having doubts in copy pasting the ultra key which results in green screen removal ka thing. So you'll be having a lot of doubts, I'm very sure. So what do you have to do? Very simple. At any point of time, if you have a doubt, just take the screenshot and send it to the mentor. Simple. Or to the class monitor. Simple. That's it. That's how you solve it. But I just want you to do one thing, which is finish this lecture at any cost. I don't care whatever you're doing. I want you to finish this lecture. Do the assignment properly. Okay? We'll be talking in depth about whatever we talked about in this video, but just open your Premiere Pro. I guess you might have already finished your project. No, I really want you to follow this lecture. Okay? It's a long lecture, I know. So you probably might have not even realized, but you did it. You just learned about how to edit videos in the single class. Okay? I just have a script here, so I'll just read it out for you. You also learned about all the tools of the Premiere Pro, which are required for editing videos. You killed it, mate. And not just that, you also learned about color wheels, in which green and blue were present and skin tones was present, and how do we differentiate when to use green screen, when to use blue screen, and all those things. And so this is it. Edit this video. If you have any doubts, send it to your mentors, and next lecture is going to be very